Hello everyone. Today my name is Madan Mohan. Today I am going to say my essay assignment, statistical software. My topic name is statistical software quality assurance. Let's see what are the process steps. The first step is collect and categorize information that causes about software defects that occur. Attempt to trace each defect to its underlying cause. Example, non-conformance to specifications, design error, violation of standards, poor communication with the customer. These are the main effects of the attempt to trace. And the next is using the Pareto principle, which has 80% of defects can be traced to 20% of all causes, and to isolate them, there is 20%. And a sample for the possible causes for defects are incomplete or erroneous specifications. And the next one is misinterpretation of customer communication, intentional deviation from specifications, violation of programming standards, errors in data representation, inconsistent component interface, errors in design logic, incomplete or erroneous testing, inaccurate or incomplete documentation, errors in programming language, translation of design, ambiguous or inconsistent human or computer interface. And the next one is Six Sigma, which is very popularized by Motorola in the 1980s. It is the most widely used strategy for statistical quality assurance. That is, it uses data and statistical analysis to measure and improve a company's operational performance. It identifies and eliminates defects in manufacturing and service related process. The Six Sigma refers to 6 standard deviations that are 3.4 defects per a million occurrences. Let us continue our Six Sigma topic. In this, there are three core steps. The first step is define customer requirements, deliverables, and project goals via well-defined methods of customer communication. And the next step is measure the existent process and its output to determine current quality performance. And next, analyze defects metric and determine the vital few causes. 2 additional steps are added for existing process and can be done in parallel, which are used to improve the process by eliminating the root causes of defects. And the one more thing is to control the process to ensure that future work does not reintroduce the causes of defects. And let's see continuation. All of these steps need to be performed so that you can manage the process to accomplish something. By using this, we can maintain the Six Sigma rule. And the next one is you cannot effectively manage and improve a process until you first do these steps. Those are manage and improve the work process, control the work process, analyze the work process, measuring the work process, and defining the work process. So this is the statistical analysis. Thank you.
బర్రాబర్ చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు రికార్డింగ్ ఆఫ్ చేయకుండానే వాడు మాట్లాడేదంతా వింటున్నాడు రా.